Hi everyone, Glenda here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register as a self-employed professional non-PRC license in Bureau of Internal Revenue. This presentation is for those of you who work from home and wish to register as a self-employed taxpayer but are not familiar with the process. If you need more information, please check out the link in the description below where I detailed my own experience. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to get your tax identification number or TIN. If you already have one, then you just have to update your information. To apply for TIN, fill out BIR Form 1901 Application for Registration in duplicate. Bring any identification that shows your full name, address, and birth date. Then submit these requirements to the nearest BIR Revenue District Office or RDO in your area. If you filed your application early, you might be able to get your TIN card within the same day. If you already have a TIN and have been employed locally, most likely your TIN is registered in your employer's RDO. To find out which RDO your TIN is, simply go to the nearest BIR office and inquire personally. If it's a different RDO, then you need to transfer from the RDO of your previous employer to your current location address RDO. To do this, use BIR Form 1905 Application for Registration Information Update. Tick Change in Registered Address, then enter your old RDO number, the new one, and then your new address. Once it's done, submit the form in duplicate to your current RDO. Wait for 3 to 5 business days to ensure your records are transferred to your new RDO before applying for registration. The second step is to apply for registration as a self-employed professional. Fill out BIR Form 1901 Application for Registration, Payment Form 0605, and submit them along with the documentary requirements to your RDO. Please note that the list of requirements for self-employed professional varies depending on which RDO you go to. It's highly recommended that you personally go to the RDO where you intend to register and inquire with the relevant BIR officer. After filing for registration, attend the taxpayer seminar. This is usually held once a week in your RDO. The seminar will generally discuss about the BIR forms, schedule of filing, and required books of accounts for your business. Take this opportunity to ask questions about taxation as well. After the seminar, you will receive your Certificate of Registration or COR. You are now officially registered as a self-employed professional. The third step is to apply for authority to print receipts and invoices, or ATP. You need to complete this process before any printing companies can print your official receipts. To avoid penalties, you will need to accomplish this process within 30 days from the date of your business registration. You will need to fill out BIR Form 1906, Application for Authority to Print Receipts, attach relevant documents, and submit to your RDO. Once approved, you will get a copy of the form and authority to print signed by the RDO officer. Then you can submit these documents to the BIR accredited printer of your choice. The cost of printing depends on the printing company and the minimum number of booklets. It usually takes within 5 to 14 business days to get your official receipts printed. You can start issuing receipts to your clients starting from the date of your business registration. The fourth and the last step is to register for manual books of accounts. You will need to fill out BIR Form 1905 Application for Registration Information Update and indicate the type of books you will register. Submit this form in duplicate, a copy of your COR, and the books for registration to your RDO. As per RDO 43, I need to register 4 books for my business: General Journal, General Ledger, Cash Receipts Journal, and Cash Disbursement Journal. Once you received your books with the RDO officer's signature and BIR stamps, you're done with the process. Congratulations! Don't forget to keep your books updated and file relevant BIR forms before the deadline to avoid the penalties. For more information, please check out these links.